Colonoscopy is the gold standard in colorectal cancer diagnostics and is also used as a primary screening modality. Up to 5% of colorectal cancers and a much higher proportion of adenomas are missed by colonoscopy. In addition, detection rates of adenomas and colorectal cancers show inter-endoscopist variations. Therefore, there is a need to define quality indicators of colonoscopies. Adenoma detection rate is a documented and well-established valid surrogate endpoint for colonoscopy quality. Then withdrawal time, defined as the time spent on retracting the instrument from the cecum to the anus, serve as an additional quality indicator for colonoscopy, since this was shown in some studies to correlate with adenoma detection rate and thus may serve as a proxy for adenoma detection rate, reflecting the risk of cancer after screening. In the recent issue of Endoscopy, Moritz et al. Addressed this issue in their paper entitled Withdrawal Time as a Quality Indicator for Colonoscopy in Nationwide Analysis. Here is a summary of their investigations. A withdrawal time of at least 6 minutes has been recommended as a quality indicator for colonoscopy. One drawback of many of these studies that have investigated withdrawal time and produced conflicting results has been their single-center design involving few endoscopists. Therefore, the validity of withdrawal time as a quality measure remains unclear. This study explores the value of individual withdrawal time in a nationwide analysis. This prospective cohort study comprised data from outpatient colonoscopies performed at 19 Norwegian centers from January to September 2009 and registered in the Norwegian GastroNet Quality Assurance Program. The participating endoscopies were characterized by their median withdrawal time for visual colonoscopies, that is, diagnostic colonoscopies without biopsy or therapy, and categorized into 2 visual withdrawal time groups, less than 6 minutes or more than 6 minutes, to analyze the predictive value of visual withdrawal time for detection of one or more polyps greater than 5 mm in diameter using multiple logistic regression models. The study included 4,429 consecutive colonoscopies performed by 67 endoscopists. The adjusted odds ratio for the detection of polyps greater than 5 mm in diameter was 1.21, 95% confidence interval 0.94 to 1.56 with a p-value of 0.14 for endoscopies with a median visual withdrawal time of more than 6 minutes compared with endoscopies with a median withdrawal time of less than 6 minutes. The authors conclude that withdrawal time using 6 minutes as the threshold is not a strong predictor of the likelihood of finding a polyp during colonoscopy and should not be used as a quality indicator. At the most, it may give a marginal benefit that probably does not withstand critical cost-effectiveness analysis.